Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Paano Matuto Mag-English 101. In today's video guys, we are going to learn 50 English Tagalog sentences you can use in everyday conversation. Before we move on, keep in mind that translation isn't always word for word because both English and Tagalog speakers often use idioms, phrasal verbs, and casual expressions that don't have a literal equivalent. So, ibig lang sabihin nito guys, hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon na ang pagta-translate ng mga English phrases ay word for word. Bakit? Dahil ang mga English native speakers madalas gumagamit ng idioms, phrasal verbs na mahirap tumbasan ng Tagalog words. And ganun din tayo. Sometimes gumagamit tayo ng mga matatalinghagang salita o yung tinatawag na idioms na mahirap din tumbasan pagdating sa English. This collection includes a mix of formal and casual phrases. Okay, so you will see how to express yourself naturally in different situations, whether you're speaking politely or chatting with friends. By practicing these sentences, you will get a better feel for how English and Tagalog are actually used in real conversation. So, umpisa na tayo, guys. Katulad nito guys, pag sinabi yung yung phrase na magkakalat ka lang, sometimes hindi talaga literal na magkakalat ka ng basura or ng mga kalat. Eto guys, ibig sabihin nito sometimes sa atin is ipapahiya mo lang ang sarili mo. Okay? Ipapahiya mo lang ang sarili mo. So, halimbawa guys, utang na loob, wag na, magkakalat ka lang. Okay? So, parang ibig lang sabihin nito, wag na. Wag mo nang gawin yung isang bagay kasi ipapahiya mo lang ang sarili mo. In English guys, please, as a favor, don't. You're just going to make a mess. Please, as a favor, don't. You're just going to make a mess. How about this one guys? Halimbawa, bilang isang kaibigan, papayuhan mo ko na wag nang sumali pa sa singing contest kasi hindi naman kagandahan ng boses ko. Okay? So, sasabihin mo sa akin ng ganito. Kung sasali ka sa paliksahan sa pagkanta, utang na loob wag na kasi magkakalat ka lang. So, ibig lang sabihin nito guys, mapapahiya lang ako. Okay? In English, ganito yan. If you join the singing contest, please don't, because you will just make a mess. Okay? If you join the singing contest, please don't, because you will just make a mess. Okay? Nandito ako para tulungan ka. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help you. Gusto lang naming bigyan ka ng mas magandang buhay. We just want to give you a better life. We just want to give you a better life. Nasa bakasyon ako nang tinawagan mo ako. I was on vacation when you called me. I was on vacation when you called me. Ano pang dapat kong gawin? What else should I do? What else should I do? Babalik ako bukas. I'm coming back tomorrow. I'm coming back tomorrow. Ayokong maging pabigat. I don't want to be a burden. I don't want to be a burden. Para sa akin ba yan? Is that for me? Is that for me? Hindi ko na kaya. Or hindi ko na kayang tiisin. I can't take it anymore. I can't take it anymore. Hindi ko na kaya pang makita ka na nahihirapan. I can't take it anymore watching you suffer. I can't take it anymore watching you suffer. Ang tagal ko na itong hinihintay. I have been waiting for this for so long. I have been waiting for this for so long. Nasa kalagitnaan ako ng ginagawa ko ngayon. Pwede mo ba akong tawagan ulit mamaya? I'm in the middle of something right now. Can you call me back later? I'm in the middle of something right now. Can you call me back later? Paumanhin sa abala. I apologize for the inconvenience. Madalas guys yung phrase na to ha, I apologize for the inconvenience. Madalas kapag nasa formal situation ka, nasa school, nasa office, sometimes yung mga ginagawang kalsada, di ba? Sometimes may nakalagay dyan, I apologize for the inconvenience. Okay? Napakagandang balita niyan. That's wonderful news. That's wonderful news. Punta tayo doon at ipakilala mo ako sa pinakamatalik mong kaibigang si Jenny. Let's go there and you can introduce me to your best friend Jenny. Let's go there and you can introduce me to your best friend Jenny. Alam ko na, matagal ka nang nagsisinungaling sa akin. I knew it. You've been lying to me for a long time. I knew it. You've been lying to me for a long time. Paano mo ginawa yun? How did you do that? How did you do that? Pinapangako ko na hindi na ito mauulit. I promise this won't happen again. I promise this won't happen again. Sa tingin ko, hindi ito gagana. I don't think this is going to work. I don't think this is going to work. Sa tingin mo ba nakakatawa yan? You think that's funny? You think that's funny? Matuturuan kita kung gusto mong matuto sa isang kondisyon. I could teach you if you want to learn on one condition. I could teach you if you want to learn on one condition. Hindi mo ako pwedeng kausapin ng ganyan. Ako ang boss dito. You can't talk to me like that. I am the boss here. You can't talk to me like that. I am the boss here. Sige na, gumawa ka ng paraan. Come on, do something. Come on, do something. Pag-isipan mo ito. Think about it. Think about it. Wala siyang ginagawang masama. He didn't do anything wrong. He didn't do anything wrong. Jenny, pwede ba kitang kausapin sa labas sandali? Jenny, can I speak to you outside for a moment? Jenny, can I speak to you outside for a moment? When you are in a formal situation, for example, at school o kaya sa office, ayan, yung word na speak ang madalas na ginagamit. Pero in casual conversation, madalas ang ginagamit na salita ay talk. Pwede mo sabihin na, Jenny, can I talk to you outside for a moment? Okay. Can I talk to you outside for a moment? Okay. So, yun ang pinagkaiba ng speak and talk. Bakit ka nandito? Sabi mo sa akin, bibisitahin mo ang nanay mo. Why are you here? You told me you were going to visit your mother. Why are you here? You told me you were going to visit your mother. Ganyan ka ba makipag-usap sa nanay mo? Do you talk to your mother that way? Do you talk to your mother that way? Sandali, magpapaliwanag ako. Wait, I can explain. Wait, I can explain. Pakiusap, hayaan mo akong magpaliwanag. Please, let me explain. Please, let me explain. Hindi mo lang talaga naiintindihan. Pwede rin na, hindi mo lang talaga kasi naiintindihan. You just don't get it. You just don't get it. Pwede rin mo rin sabihin na, you really don't understand. You really don't understand. Sabihin mo sa akin ng totoo. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Heto na. Guys, madalas ito yung phrase natin kapag meron tayong inaabot sa isang tao. Okay? Eto na. Heto na. In English, here you go. Here you go. Okay? Well, sa tingin ko mali ka. Well, I guess you were wrong. Well, I guess you were wrong. Wala akong oras para rito. I don't have time for this. I don't have time for this. Wala akong oras para sa ganitong walang kwentang usapan. I don't have time for this nonsense talk. I don't have time for this nonsense talk. Saan ka pupunta? Kinakausap pa kita. Bumalik ka rito. Where are you going? I'm still talking to you. Come back here. Where are you going? I'm still talking to you. Come back here. Uwi ka na, Jenny. Tapos na tayo dito. Go home, Jenny. We're done here. Go home, Jenny. We're done here. Ayaw kitang kasama. I don't want to be with you. I don't want to be with you. Hindi mo ako mapipigilan. There's nothing you can do to stop me. There's nothing you can do to stop me. Naiinis ako. Sinusubukan mo ang pasensya ko. I'm upset. You're testing my patience. I'm upset. You're testing my patience. Pasensya na sa abala. Sorry to bother you. Guys, kanina mayroon tayong pasensya na sa abala. Ito guys, ginagamit naman to sa casual conversation, okay? Pasensya na sa abala. Sorry to bother you. May ipapakita ako sa'yo. May ipapakita ako sa'yo. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Pasensya na pero hindi ko sana dapat ginawa yun. I'm sorry, but I should have never done that. I'm sorry, but I should have never done that. Hindi ikaw to. Pwede mo rin sabihin na hindi ito ang tunay mong pagkatao. This isn't who you are. This isn't who you are. Hindi ikaw to, Jenny. Ang Jenny na natatandaan ko ay lumalaban at naninindigan sa kung ano ang tama. This isn't who you are, Jenny. The Jenny I remember fights and stands up for what's right. Hindi ka dapat pumunta rito. Shouldn't have come here. You shouldn't have come here. Pasensya na, sana hindi ka galit. I'm sorry. I hope you're not mad. I'm sorry. I hope you're not mad. Wag mo akong alalahanin, ayos lang ako. Don't worry about me, I'm fine. Don't worry about me, I'm fine. Thank you for watching guys. Huwag kalimutan mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share. At kung may tanong kayo guys, magtanong lang kayo. At kung gusto ninyong mag-request ng topic na gusto nyong i-discuss ko, let me know in the comment. That would be all guys. Thank you so much for watching.